Hi, so today I have the iPlay Chem Cruiser car from Verimark and I'm going to show you how it works. This is not your ordinary car. This is quite a unique car. Why is it unique? It's a toy for your kids. However, for the first time you're getting a toy that's got a built-in camera into it. Now this camera can sync into your cell phone. While playing your car, it shows you vision of where you're driving into. Now what is so unique about this is that with this cell phone sync with this car, you can take photos and you can take videos. And remember, it's not just ordinary photos, it's HD photos. Now let's show you how it works. First things first, you've got a rechargeable battery here. You will switch on your car, you will switch on your remote, and when you switch on your remote, you'll see there's an on and off here. What is unique about this as well is you've got a cell phone holder into this, your hand remote. You can use it as a cell phone holder, or you can also operate your car using the cell phone itself. Now remember, when using the car, you don't need data to play or use the app. Now let me show you how to sync your car. Now you have downloaded your app from your app store. The name of the app is called Wi-Fi Car and it looks like this. Now it's downloaded, let's sync the two devices together, the car and the cell phone. We simply go to our quick settings. I prefer putting my cell phone on flight mode just to avoid any other internet interference, and I go into my internet settings. I go into our Wi-Fi settings, then the car will appear as a form of Wi-Fi. It will always appear as HD720 and a couple of other numbers depending on what car you have. Now I already connected my car into my cell phone. Now we go into the app. Now immediately when you get into the app, you will see beautiful settings and an image. You want to first go into illustrations just to learn all the functions of every button that you have here, which is designed for you. All of these just to learn. It's more like your guide or your instructions. Now let's go into our app. Beautiful. We press start. Now as we press start, now we've got our beautiful image. Remember, this is a Wi-Fi car, so therefore I can now see myself. Hello. Okay, now you've got all these beautiful settings. Remember, you can control it with your remote control. Now first things first, you've got this 180 degrees here. This is to rotate your image. If you want to turn your image upside down, or when it's upside down and you want to turn it into a correct position, you can do that. The next button is your sound button. You can turn it on or off. So it gives you that sound effect when you drive your car. You simply turn it off. You've also got a VR headset function. Remember, we sell the VR headset at Verimark. You switch it on and it gives you that split screen. You will see clearly on your VR headset, and we turn it off. You can choose whether you want a high speed or you want a low speed car. Now when I am not using my hand remote, which means we're going to turn off the remote control. Immediately when the remote control is turned off, I don't have a control of the car until I also come and turn it off here. Now all of these controls are now on my cell phone. Now I can control my car in all directions using my cell phone. After this, here's my exciting button, which is called your traction control. When you switch on your traction control, I'm actually going to hold the car up. I'm going to place it upside down. Now my car is upside down, but the traction button is on. This is where you can draw diagrams and the car will start moving into those shapes that you draw. You can draw a line as a reverse or draw a line going forward, which makes the car move forward. Now the next function that we also have is your motion control that we have here. So we turn off the traction control, you've got your motion control. This is where you will drive your car using just the motion, the movement on your cell phone. You will notice even when I'm just playing around with the cell phone, there's movement happening here and there's movement happening here as well. How awesome is that? While you're recording and driving your car around, you've got this button to take photos and you've got this button to video record as you're driving around your house. Now our phone is now synced and we are ready to have some fun. Now look at this. There you go. That's how now you set up your iPlay Chem Cruise car. Voila.